Smoley wave springs reduce spring heights by up to 50%. Our Spiralox retaining rings have no ears to interfere with an assembly. Over 10,000 standard parts are stocked in carbon and stainless steel, with samples readily available to test in your application.
Today in Engineering Newswire, we're redressing a McLaren street car for the racetrack, making the virtual supercar a reality, and making dragons out of motorcycles with Orange County choppers.
Nissan has recently unveiled the Nissan Concept 2020 Vision Gran Turismo. Designed as a virtual car for the Gran Turismo video game franchise, the vehicle was developed through collaboration with the creators of Gran Turismo, Polyphony Digital, and the PlayStation driving franchise. The physical prototype was released at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed, the largest motoring garden party in the world. Motoring garden party. The car is very similar to its virtual counterpart, with influences from a variety of Nissan road and race cars, and was developed by a team of young designers at Nissan Design Europe who collaborated with engineers out of Japan. And while the car was originally designed in the virtual world, Nissan believes that the real world is ready for the supercar. So what began as a dream project for Nissan designers is now giving us a glimpse of what a supercar of the future may look like. And the future looks pretty awesome.
The old adage with race vehicles is that they act as testing vessels for the slower, more conservative, street-legal versions in years to come. Not for the McLaren GT. For once, road-based design has influenced the racer. Built on the same carbon fiber MonoCell chassis as the McLaren 650Ss, the 650S GT3 has employed computational fluid dynamics technology to hone the aerodynamics. The 650S follows in the slipstream of its predecessor, the 12C GT3. In case you're not following, in this sense, McLaren has given the 650S a GT3 makeover to make it racetrack-worthy. As with anything that goes fast, the GT3 requires an array of cooling technologies to make it run efficiently. Well, let's be honest, anything with a 3.8-liter V8 twin-turbo engine isn't going to be terribly fuel efficient. The 650S has had an overhaul on the suspension with a track that is 52mm wider than the 12C. Combined with larger diameter racing tires and the aerodynamics package, the 650S has improved front-end grip and steering feel. The 650S GT3 attempts to provide the ultimate in driver engagement on the road, like its road-going counterpart. Surprisingly, McLaren's approach to this vehicle took on a reduced cost of ownership as a priority, with increased engine and gearbox rebuild intervals and redesigned components and systems to reduce parts costs. Go figure. The design team also improved a bunch of safety features, but come on, this is really what we're impressed with.
What would your reaction be if you saw this thing riding towards you? Pretty sweet, right? Oh yeah. In response to a customer's ambitious request to design a bike in the shape of a Chinese dragon, Orange County Choppers, or OCC, teamed up with 3D printer manufacturer Stratasys to make that dream a reality. 3D printing allows OCC to custom build parts with ultimate design freedom and durable, lightweight materials. According to designer Jason Pohl, the dragon couldn't have been any dragon, so they injected it with life, adrenaline, and emotion. Without fused deposition modeling, or FDM technology, the part would have cost more and taken longer to build, and the resulting dragon head would have had a simpler design with less personality. And who wants to ride around on something that looks like this? I mean, you don't look cool with an anime-looking dragon that looks like My Little Pony. I'm just saying.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Chris Fox, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.